Hello guys, this is MD Atta. Welcome back to Real Life Code, a web development learning YouTube channel for beginners. If you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it and press bell icon for more videos. Let's start our today's lecture, which is about HTML styles, how to style HTML elements. So in today's lecture, we will cover what is style attribute, how to change background color, how to change color of HTML text, how to change font family, how to change font size, and how to align text in HTML. So first of all, we learn about style attribute. So what is style attribute and why we use style attribute in HTML? So style attribute is used to add styles to HTML elements, such as if we want to change the color of our text, we use color property. To change the size of the text, we use font size, and similarly text to align our text in HTML, we use align property, and similarly many more style properties are used for styling HTML elements. So styling of HTML element can be done with the style attribute. So how to write style attribute or properties in HTML? So this is the way how to use style attribute are in our HTML. So here is the syntax. First of all, we write the element on which we want to apply style attribute. So for example, we want to change the color of text or paragraph. First of all, we write paragraph tag or p tag, then add style attribute and write some property. It means we want to write color is color and give the value of color which you want, red, green, blue, white, etc. So here is the syntax how to style HTML element. So in this way we use style attribute. We will learn the implementation of style attribute with examples. So first of all, if we want to change the background color of HTML element, we use background color property. So background color property defines the background color for an HTML element. For example, here you can see if we want to change background color of our body, we use style attribute, then use property background color and assign background color to red. So by doing this, the body color changed to red. If we implement this example in Notepad++, we can see body color of HTML in web browser. So for this purpose, open Notepad++, create new file, write the basic HTML structure, give the title style, as we are learning here about style of HTML, and save our document. Give the name of this file as style and select HTML. So save it here. So this is the basic HTML structure. So if we refresh this page here, if we open here, we can see the default body color of a web browser is white. If we change the body color with style attribute, if we change the body color to red, we write here style attribute, give it value, use background color property, give the background color property as red, save our document. If we refresh our web browser, so here we can see the body color is changed. If we change it to yellow, so here we can see, save our document and refresh our page, so the body color changed to yellow. So by using style attribute and background color property, we can change the body color. Similarly, we can change the background color of any element like paragraph, heading, by using style attribute and background property. So keep trying to implement this style attribute and background property color to change the background color. So this is the way how to change the background color of any HTML element. So now the next property we use is text color. So how can we change the text color in HTML? We use color property which defines the text color for an HTML element. For example, we can see here to change the paragraph color we use color property and assign the color property value to red, green, blue, what you want. So now we implement how to use color property in HTML element. So for this purpose we write a paragraph. Here you can see write a paragraph. For example, we write here, this is my first HTML paragraph. Real life code is helping us to learn basic HTML concept. So this is the paragraph and we want to change the color of this paragraph to we can write style attribute, give the color, assign the value is blue. So we want to change the color of this paragraph to blue. If we save our document and refresh our page, so here we can see the paragraph and we have changed the paragraph color to blue. So this color property has changed the paragraph color to blue. So further, if we want to change the background color of this paragraph, we use background color, assign the value is red. So if we save our document and refresh our page, so this is yellow is the body color and blue is the paragraph color and red is the paragraph background color. So this is the way how to use multiple properties for styling HTML attribute or styling HTML element. So next I will learn about font family. So if we want to change the font family of HTML text, we used font family properties. So font family property defines the font to be used for HTML elements. There are many types of fonts, for example Times New Roman, Calibri, Arial and so on. So if we want to change the font family of HTML element, we use font family property. Here we have an example and we want to change the font family of our paragraph. This is HTML paragraph to Vardhana. So for this purpose we use font family property and assign it value to Vardhana. So by doing this we can change the font family of HTML paragraph. So here we write a new paragraph to implement font family. This is my new font family. So this is the new paragraph. If we save our document and refresh our page, we see a new paragraph whose default color is black. If we style our paragraph and change the font family to assign the value, you can see Arial. Save our page, refresh you can see the Times New Roman, which is the default font family, was changed to Arial. So this is the way how to change the font family of HTML element. Similarly, you can change the text size. To change the text size in HTML document or HTML text, we use font size property. Font size property defines the text size for an HTML element. Here you can see an example. The paragraph, this is HTML paragraph. Font size is increased to 300%. If we implement this in Notepad++, we write another paragraph and change the font size of this paragraph to, suppose we change it to 200 plus. If we save it and refresh our page, so here you can see the font family font size is changed to 200 plus. Here is the 100, this is this 200, and if we change it to 300, you can see it becomes more visible. If we refresh our page, here you can see the 100 200% and this is the 300%. So this is the way how to change the font size in HTML text. So next we can align our text in HTML to center, left or right. So for this purpose we use text align property. So text align property defines the horizontal text alignment for an HTML element. So here you can see an example. If we write a paragraph and change the alignment of the text, we use style attribute and use text align property, give it value to center, right or left. So in this way we can align the text in HTML. So if we implement the same in we use another paragraph and use the text align property and give it value to center. If we save our document and refresh our page, then you can see here the text is aligned to center. If we want to write our text at right side, to change the align to right, refresh our page, you can see here the text is aligned to right. The default text align for our text paragraph text is left, so you can change it again at left. If we save our document and refresh our page, you can see here the text is aligned to left. So this is the way how to align text in HTML. So I hope you have understand all the basic concept of styling HTML element. If you have any problem, please ask me in comment section. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe our channel for more videos.